Alright, so in today's video I'm going to replace the front camera. So I have a camera up here and it's got a little crack on it and it's getting old. I'm going to replace it, plus I get a new one, so I ended up getting a different one for the back. So what I have is, if I ignore this, I was just messing around. The first switch is to turn the cameras on, give them power, and the second switch is to let it know to flip in reverse. Now, this is the front view, right? And then I hit this, and that's the back view, which I have to clean up a little bit. But I'm going to swap this one out with a wireless one, which I will show you in a second. Alright, so this little thing here is the new camera. Solar powered, no wires, wirelessly transmits the video to this thing. So, since I didn't use the front camera that often, all you need to do is, anytime I want to pull up this thing, I push this button here, and there it goes. So, hey, it's working. So there's nothing that needs to be done. So all I need to do is remove some of these and remove this bracket to mount it up front on the bumper. Alright, so there's a new camera up front, and it's got the solar panel thing on there, so there's no wires or anything. Turn it around, so we'll take a break for a second, but there's nothing I need to do now. When I get in there, I just push the button and I can see right out the right through the camera, through that front screen. So let's go ahead and push this button, and there it goes.